What's going on, guys? I'm Bill and welcome to Bill's How To. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the easiest way to win one of 3 prizes valued at about $5,000 each. Let's get straight into it, guys. Let's do this. Alright guys, so WD-40 has an easy way to win one of 3 prizes valued at $5,000 each. All you need to do is simply upload a video or photo to the WD-40 website showing how you use a WD-40 product, anyone, to repair something instead of replace it. It's that simple, guys. You've seen my YouTube channel over the years where we repair instead of replace wherever we can using a WD-40 product if need be. So get out there and get creative. Enter as many times as you like. This competition has recently opened and it will close on the 22nd of April. So you've got plenty of time to get out there, do a little bit of research, get creative, upload a good video. I've seen the previous entries which are up on their website as well. You can check them out and get some ideas. Honestly, you guys can do much better. I've got faith in you guys, and WD-40 want to give you a leg up as well. What they're going to be doing is also giving you guys a little prize pack within this channel. So they're giving away a prize pack worth about $210. It's a whole packet of WD-40 products, whether it's greases, silicons, lubricants, air dusters, whatever it is. About $210 worth. They're going to give it to one lucky viewer. To enter that competition, all you need to do is put in the comment section below what project you've got coming up, and you can use WD-40 for that. So put that in the comment section below. That individual competition, WD-40 will announce the winner. The competition will start as of tomorrow, which is Wednesday the 8th of March, and it'll close on the 15th of March. Pretty simple. Main competition is on WD-40's website. I'll put the link in the description. You can jump on there, upload a video or photo of how you use WD-40 to repair instead of replace. That's their one. Within my channel, they're going to be giving one lucky viewer a $210 prize pack of WD-40 products. Make sure you put that in the comment section below. WD-40 will be monitoring the comments. They're going to select the winner themselves. So put in the comment section below what your next project is and how you can use WD-40 to tackle that project. Hopefully you guys are enjoying all these videos. You're excited for the next video, as I always am. As always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'm Bill. Thanks for watching Bill's How To.